How's it going, everybody? Right then, in this video I'm going to show you how to make stuffed baked potatoes, sometimes referred to as potato bombs. So if you do like a jacket spud, you're gonna love this video. You really will. And it's one of those ones where you can get the kids involved as well, because it's all messy and it's relatively simple to do, but so good, so tasty. So what will you need? First of all, obviously, some nice big potatoes, although you can do the smaller ones if you want to, it's totally up to you, but nice big jacket spud. So you need potatoes, spring onion, ham, chorizo, bacon, grated cheese, mayonnaise and black pepper. Now, it's totally up to you what fillings you want to put in. It's something that you can create and invent and whatever you want to do. It's totally up to you. This is what I enjoy. So you can mix and match and do whatever you want to do yourselves. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing that I'm going to do is finely chop that spring onion, finely chop the chorizo, finely chop the ham, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, let's do it. And we're all chopped up. So I've got the ham, chorizo and spring onion in there. Does smell good. Okay, to this I'm going to add the grated cheese. So pop that in. Now next you're going to want some pepper. So I'm going to be so generous. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon, about a teaspoon and a half black pepper. And then your mayonnaise. So you need a good blast of mayo. There we go. All the squelching and the squirting and all the rude noises are going to happen now. Oh, there you go. I think we might... There we go. Remind me to get some more mayo, ladies and gents. Okay. The messy bit, the fun bit. I'm sure if you've got a little one there that would want to do this, get really messy. So here we go. So I'm going to mix all this together. I'll squish it up. Look at that. Lovely, lovely. Okay, on to the next bit. Okay, so here we are, the next stage. Now you're going to want to get your spud, your potato, and you need one of these, an apple corer. Very useful for this. So what you want to do is you want to core it out that way and that way, so you got a nice cross. So let's do that. And that is about there. That's a guess. Ta-da! That was a good guess, wasn't it? And push that out like so. Don't throw that away though, folks. Keep it. You'll need it. And I'm going to go the other way. Like so. Okay, so there you have it. Look at that. Isn't that good? Now I bet you can guess what you're going to do next. Oh yeah, you're going to take your mixture and you're going to stuff it in there. So, yet again, a little bit messy, but fun. So if you've got kids about, I'm sure they will help you do this. So just pop that down. It is messy, don't worry about it. It's half the fun. So push it in that end and also in that end. Nice and messy, but so tasty. If you haven't tried these stuffed baked potatoes, or potato bombs as some people call them, then you really need to check these out, because they are so tasty. And use that up. Waste not, want not, folks. Waste not, want not. What was the clock in the background? Doo 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 doo. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm guessing it's 5 o'clock. Okay, so there you go. That's nice and stuffed. Excellent. Let's give my hands a little swill. There we go. And we're back. Okay, the next thing you want to do is, with these plugs, just cut them down a little bit. That one should be okay. And then plug it back up. So one there and one there, and cut that one down like so. It's all good fun, this, you know, it's all good fun. And pop that in there whilst holding the other two out so they don't pop out as that one did. There we go. That's good. That's good. Okay, so when you get to that stage, then we're ready to go on. So let's get to the next stage, shall we? Okay, here we go. Right then, so you've got your potato bomb, your stuffed potato, and what you'll need now is some streaky bacon, because you're going to wrap that all up. So all these flavours from inside the potato and the bacon on the outside, and it's just all comes together in this one amazing, very simple to do dish, but it is so good. So let's get the bacon. And have I got 2 pieces there, or have I got 1 piece? I've got 2 pieces there, ladies and gents. I'm being a bit ambitious. So let's just fold that around and get that next little piece. Fold that around and get another little bit. If I can. Let's pop that down a sec. And separate these. There we go. If I do a couple, then we know where we are. I don't have to start fiddling. There we go. There we go. And like that. And get another one. And pop it over there. Like that. And there you go. Check that out. Wow. Okay, next thing you want to do is you're going to wrap this in foil. And we're really going to lock them flavours in when it's cooking in the oven. So, wrap that up, seal that in straight away, then we can just pick it up, fold it over again, and there we go. Into a nice, not tight, doesn't have to be tight, you know, let all the flavours flood out. So there you go. That is your stuffed baked potato. Now, that's going to go in the oven about gas mark 8, which is, I believe, it's about like 240, 250. So, and that will go in the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes to really get it going. And we'll do that. I'll make a few more up and pop them in the oven, and I'll show you when it's done. Lovely. Okay, here we go. So that's been in the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes, gas mark 8. So let's open it up, shall we? Let's do it. Right then, now this is going to be hot, so do be very, very careful. And when you open it up, you're going to get a blast of steam, so but it'll all be worth it. Just be careful. And there you have it. Oh wow, that smells absolutely amazing. And there you go. Oh, one of my plugs have come out. So, let's pop that on a plate, shall we? Wow. Check that out. So let's show you what's going on in the middle, shall we? Wow, look at that. Amazing. That smells absolutely gorgeous. So those are stuffed potatoes, or potato bombs as they are sometimes called. Check them out, they're extremely tasty, it's fun to do. So if you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Better, click that subscribe button, it would mean the world to me. So I shall catch you on the next video, folks. See ya.